Hello everyone, welcome to Neighborhood and Community Services. My name is Alvaro Luna, but you can call me Mr. L, as many of my students do. Okay, today we're going to be talking about face mask and how to create your own face mask, since you need to be protected at all times for your own benefit and for your family. So in the market today, and due to current events, you can find several type of masks, like surgical mask. You can buy masks also at the dollar store. I don't recommend them, but it's better than nothing. And then more advanced masks like the N95 mask that people use in the healthcare system. Also, you have masks like this, which are used for construction, P100, that is pretty good. But for our case, because we don't want to spend a lot of money, basically no money, and since this is something that we're gonna be using for a pretty good long time, we need to be sure that we have a way to create your own mask, as I said, to protect ourselves and others. So in this activity, you will be able to make your own mask by using paper towel, and rolls like those that you can find in the kitchen. And then you will need to have some scissors, rubber bands, tape, staplers maybe, and that will be pretty much it. So let's get on and let's start working on that. So what you want to do first is grab a piece of paper, towel, and then we want to measure between 12 and 14 inches. So I'll have about, I would say 13. And then I'm gonna fold it in two. So it needs to be between 12 to 14 for a total length of either 24 or 28 inches. And you will cut the paper. Once you cut the paper, you will fold about half an inch from the part that is open. About half an inch. And then you're going to come to the opposite side and fold about 1 inch, and be sure to keep it straight on both sides. Now what you want to do is come on the same area that now you folded and come out with half an inch. Now you have the basic concept of the mask. Now what we're going to do is fold it over, turn it over, and we're going to make the folding so it will be adjusted to your face. So what we're going to do is fold it here with some angle. And then you do the bottom part, and The idea is the bottom part has less angle. If you see in the template, this part is narrow than the bottom part just because here goes your on top of your nose. Then what we want to do is put tape just to hold it in place. Same thing on the other side. I like to give a little bit of room at the end so I can fold it to hold the rubber band. Now we grab 2 pieces of rubber band. And what we want to do is fold the paper about 1/2 inch around and either use tape or stapler. Now I like to use stapler because it holds it strongly and has less chances to come off. And extend it to your convenience. Be sure you place the mask correctly around your nose and your mouth. The rubber band should be thin enough to be placed around your ear without bothering you. And be sure the mask is tied around your nose. Also, after a few uses, be sure to dispose your mask properly by dropping it in a trash container and not on the street. I hope you have enjoyed this activity, and please show your designs and comments, like how long did it take you to make a mask or how many masks can you make in 20 minutes. Please use the hashtag NCSConnects. Thank you, and we'll see you later.